Should you short Coca-Cola, ticker KO, and is Coca-Cola the new tobacco? In a recent press conference, Ronaldo was justified in removing Coca-Cola bottles and placing them off camera and replace them with water. And this was fascinating because it actually caused the market capitalization of Coca-Cola to drop $4 billion. And Evian Water jumped all over this event and Twitter, and so did actually the World Health Organization. And in 20 years, I think our children are going to say to us, I can't believe you drank sugar water, which is awful for your health. And why did you own Coca-Cola stock? Now, this small bottle of Coke contains more than 6 teaspoons of sugar. 6 teaspoons, that's a lot. I don't drink alcohol, but let me show you what that means. All right, so a teaspoon is this size here. It's crazy. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's actually not that much compared to a regular can, which is much, much more. Isn't that crazy? There's this much sugar in one of these things. Now, I don't drink anymore, but I don't drink any less. I'm just kidding, I don't drink. Okay, so close to 40% of Coca-Cola's revenue is from sugar-based products. And Coca-Cola has been diversifying for years into non-sugar-based products. However, given the health issues with sugar water, the company, although it has an awesome brand globally, the company is in secular decline. And the best investments we can make are long-term focused ones. And before you invest in any company, this works well. Ask yourself, in 5 or 10 years, will this company be less relevant or more relevant than it is today? Okay, are their products going to be more relevant or less relevant than they are today? And that kind of lets you get outside of yourself when you're doing investment research and see the forest from the trees. And if the answer to that question is less relevant in 5 or 10 years, then please don't get seduced and buy the stock if valuation is cheap, because those valuation earnings estimates are likely too high. So yes, I do think that many hedge funds will likely short Coca-Cola as a long-term secular short. Now, Krispy Kreme, the company that makes the best donuts ever, was once a publicly traded company. And hedge funds actually shorted it in size as consumers, from a health perspective, started consuming less carbohydrates. And so what happened with Krispy Kreme, the ticker was KREM. The company went public in 2000, and it was an awesome short when I worked in the hedge fund industry, as the stock dropped by close to 80% by 2005. Okay, they had secular issues because the products were bad for you, a lot of carbohydrates, and also they had a lot of accounting issues. Then in 2016, the company was taken private, meaning it was taken off the stock market. And very, very soon, this company, Krispy Kreme, is going to go public again at a valuation of close to $4 billion. And the company is not profitable, and like Coca-Cola, is a great long-term secular short.